Hey guys, so it's me again. It is really like, okay, first talk everyone else, and I really just want to do this song. So, just introduction on it, me, as you can see on Smith, like John or something. Anyway, here is nothing. Shut the door, turn the light off, see if it's you. I want to hear your voice. I wanna live beside you. I can hide there, even though I can. Happy pattern, tiny mistakes me, trembling here, touch skin and make it harder. And it's true, you're not there. If you could only have this life, you're not there. If we could only turn back time, you know I'll be nowhere, no place, no reason to be. My heart is waiting for it. Moment inside, I'll find a way to stay. Before you leave me, baby, say the key. Don't wanna be reminded. Don't wanna be seen. Don't wanna be without you. My judgment's clouded. But tonight, and the silence, voices numb, try to steal my lungs, and it's harder. I get you down my face. If you could only have the life for one day. If you could only turn back time, I'll be your life, your goal, your reason to be. My life, my heart is waiting for this moment in time. I'll find a word to say. Before you leave me to this, flashing lights in my mind, going back to the time, playing games in my head, kicking balls in my feet, putting down my toes, standing on my legs, there's a part of my head at the end of the day, as I feel myself home, make a joke of it all. You know I'll be your life, your voice, your reason to be. My love, my heart is waiting for this moment in time. I'll find a way to say before you leave me to this. Your love, your voice, your reason to be. My love, my heart is waiting for this moment in time. I'll find a way to say before you leave me today. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll have another video as soon as possible.